Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of the Dubai Islamic Bank UAE. For that, first of all, you can either come here on the official website of dib.ae. Then you need to look for any of the articles which is relating to the SWIFT code. Then you can get the SWIFT code of your account. Or what you can do is you can simply come here on bank.codes, which is a good website for you to find the SWIFT codes. First of all, you will have to select your country, which in our case is UAE. Then simply just use this particular tab and look for the bank account, which in our case is the Islamic Bank. Then simply just select the city and it is going to show you all of the SWIFT codes available. So you can click on the SWIFT codes and this way you will find the SWIFT codes of the Dubai Islamic Bank. So you can use these details in order to send or receive the money abroad. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.